Hey guys, so I just received my new replacement Converse All-Star sneakers. I've just taken the top part of the plastic wrap. Alright, so I just took it out of the plastic wrapping. This is what it's shipped in from the Converse warehouse. There's the box. It's got a little damage to the top of it. Would have been from shipping. So let's open it up. So my old ones were red, so hopefully they sent me the same ones. So it looks like they have. Nice and new and clean. I actually prefer when they start to get a little brown on it, when they start to look a little more used and worn in a little bit. So there's a view of the back, and here's the inside label. And if you remember, on the ones that I had bought in March of 2018, the manufacture date was actually showing that they were made in October of 2016. If you look at that number right there, it says 1806. That means these shoes were manufactured in June of 2018. So they are over 8 months old already. So it just shows how long these actually sit in warehouse. And if I turn them around, the reason I had the issue with the other ones is the back part of the inside of the heel was all worn. All this material was worn down to behind here is almost like a hard rubber, and that's why they replaced them. It's nice that they did follow up with their warranty. It was a little bit of a headache though. Again, we didn't have the original receipt, so we had to send them bank statement showing the date that they were purchased from the shoe store. There's the sole. Anyways, I just wanted to do a quick update video. I have a few videos on my Converse All-Star shoes, and I just wanted to let everybody know that my replacements did arrive. I guess that one didn't want to pose for the camera. There we go. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If I have any issues with these ones, I'll post an update video maybe down the road in the summertime, and just showing how these are holding up. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great